Hello again, Mike and Gary. I am recording this screencast to show how to use the new brand construction application. First, I'm going to show what the user experiences when he visits your site for the first time. So let's click on Create Your Brand. And you'll notice that in the section on top, right here, it says login or register. This is because I'm first-time visitor, I'm not logged in, the site doesn't know about me. But it still lets me create label based on my image. So I pick my brand and it starts uploading automatically. It takes some time to generate all the images because we are now putting the image on all the bottles. I picked 11 bottles from the images that you've sent me. And okay, let me drag the recording a little bit so that it shows. Okay, now we have. Now this time I chose an image with transparency, and so you can see you can actually see the bottle through the image, and it overlays nicely. So okay. I'm impressed, so I'm happy with my new brand, so I'm going to save it. I'll close this preview. By the way, to open the preview, if you missed it, you just have to click on any of the bottle images and it pops up with a nice slideshow. And if I don't touch it, it will start spinning on its own, and every 8 or 9 seconds it shows the next one. So enough with the preview, let's save it. And only now the application will ask me to provide email and password because it doesn't know about me. So I'll create a brand, and I'll specify my email and password. Instead of, usually people show 2 fields for password, password and retype your password, but it's more helpful to do this. So if I want to see whether I type the password exactly how I want it, I just show the password and hide it again. And my name is Vlad, and my company is Jula, and my phone is this. And I want to be contacted never, and that way you can't contact me. Well, at least I'm letting the customers express their preference. But let's leave it by email and save. And now, this is my brand homepage. It shows all the brands that I've uploaded so far and lets me create new ones or view these. So when I click on the existing label that I've uploaded, it shows me the bottles with that label. And I can return to my brands and again see them. So let's create another brand. I will make a star this time. I've solved the problem of resizing the images because there were some limitations there by resizing them on the client side. So for this to work, the browser requires either Flash or Google Gears or Microsoft Silverlight. Those, especially Flash, are very widespread, so pretty much everybody has them, and it should work for every visitor. So let's look at our new brand. This one does not use transparency, but as you can see, I've tried to make it so that the bottle is still a little bit visible. So where the reflections on the bottle are still visible on the image. Okay, enough of preview. This, as a customer, I'm happy, so I want to save this. And I notice that this time it doesn't ask about my email because it already knows who I am. It says right here, welcome Vlad. And so it only requires brand name and the flag whether or not I want to be contacted about this brand. So I save it. And this concludes user experience. I can, if I'm not happy with a brand, I can open it and click delete, and that will get rid of the brand.